Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TipRanks app for stock ideas, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, grab your smartphone or tablet. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type TipRanks and hit enter. Look for the app with the TipRanks logo in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app description and reviews to confirm it's the right one. If you are satisfied, look for the download button. On iPhone, it will say Get, and on Android, it will say Install. Tap the download button, wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the TipRanks app. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to start using the app. You may be prompted to log in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, explore the features for stock ideas. You are all set to use TipRanks for your stock market insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.